Keeping apart, two planets dare to be different.
It's kind of nice. Tonight, meteorologist Angela Huddy is live at the St. Louis Science Center with the spectacular sky event that's underway. Angela.
Yeah, Mandy and Vic, it's all about looking up, and we've been doing it all summer at Jupiter and Saturn, and I want you to look up just above the moon here tonight. You can see them in that night sky. These two planets, these giant planets, are going to be the closest they've been in just a few days. It's been hundreds of years.
Throughout the year, the two biggest worlds in our solar system have been putting on a show in the southern sky.
Each night, we've been watching as Jupiter and Saturn have been getting closer and closer together in our sky. And it's coincidentally on the first day of winter, or the winter solstice, we get to see them meet.
It's called a conjunction. In the case of Jupiter and Saturn, a great conjunction.
Really what makes this conjunction great is its rarity. Given the speed that it takes for Jupiter and Saturn to orbit the sun, they only meet in the sky like this every 20 years.
The vibrant meetup is easily visible in the evening sky over the next 2 weeks, culminating on the night of December 21st.
The two planets, Jupiter and Saturn, will only be about 1/10 of a degree apart in our sky. And what makes that so amazing is no one alive today has ever seen Jupiter and Saturn that close before.
Some say it's the closest alignment since 1623. Others say 1226.
It's a little bit of a mystery exactly what they're going to look like when they're this close. Some people argue you might still see two pinpoints of light being the two planets, depending on your eyesight. Other people, you might see just one point of light in the sky. And
if you have binoculars or a telescope, a closer look will mean something special.
The real showstopper is getting to see the rings of Saturn and some of Jupiter's moons in the eyepiece of a single telescope.
And no worries, no great calamity in the heavens in 2020.
We've had people ask, are the planets going to crash into one another or something like that? But it's important to remember that from our perspective, while they're going to look really close, there's still, over 450 million miles separating the two planets.
Pretty far apart. Now, that is Jupiter there, kind of on the lower part, the bigger looking planet star there in the sky, the planet there. Saturn is the slightly smaller one, as it is even farther away. These two coming together in this great conjunction right here around the Christmas holiday has a lot of folks referring to this celestial event as the Christmas star or the Bethlehem star. Of course, they are planets, not stars, but they are putting on an incredible show in our sky right now. Great holiday show, and it's one you don't want to miss because the next extra close conjunction of these two great big planets is not until 2080. Live outside of the Woods Basement System storm runner in Forest Park, a meteorologist, Angela Huddy, Fox 2 News.
It's not one of those things you want to put off. Thank you, Angela.